Yo, welcome to the tiny house allotment. I guess in previous videos you saw me moving all these boxes here where my sister and I built the polytunnel. So I've planted out a few things and I'll give you a little tour of what I hope will grow successfully. So I've got pak choy, beetroot. I'm going to plant these guys over there, but here, once these have gone, are going to be some mini carrots, and here are some radishes. In here I've got the pumpkins. These are just flowers. And some peas. I'm going to put some rope around here in a moment. In here I've got bigger carrots and some curly kale. And there's the carrots, calendula and sunflowers. Over here I have spinach, and in here there's lots of radishes, and these will grow in the next month or so, then I can harvest them. And then I've got 3 little courgettes tucked away, which the slugs seem to be enjoying. In here, geez, this has just been taken over. So I have purple sprouting broccoli, some sweet corn, and this is, underneath this soil is last year's compost, and I have about 1 million, well that's excessive, but a lot. I think these are butternut squashes, just springing up everywhere. I think these are tomatoes, I'm not sure. Let me know what you think, but I'm pretty sure these are all little butternut squashes, which I don't mind, I love them. I think maybe I could plant them over there, just wild, and see what happens. So I do have some butternut squash growing in here. And in this final box, I'm going to move the sprouts and the cabbages. So this is the inside of the polytunnel. It gets quite moist, which I'm a bit worried about. I do try and wipe it down when I can, but I don't think it should be this wet in here. Let me know what you think. This is the first time I've actually used a polytunnel. But down here we have some peppers, and here and in that grow bag I'm going to move these. I have, oh no, I should water them, some cucumbers, watermelon and some little peppers, and these are the tomatoes you saw me plant last time. Slug wise, hasn't been too bad. I did raise these up and the slugs seem to have stopped attacking my tomatoes, but I still need to raise up my peppers. I cannot believe how warm it is in here. But that's fantastic, because yeah, that's what it was made for. So today I'm gonna plant out my cucumbers. So here I'm going to plant these mini carrots. I'm glad these are the smaller variety, I think they're like the size of like a radish, which is what those are, and these will be going soon. little sproutlings. And here's my little cabbages. Quite excited for the sprouts because last year they got some kind of root maggot. That's Hector the cockerel. But last year they got some kind of maggot fly which kind of like attacked the roots of, and I saved one cabbage last year and got a decent cabbage off it. So I'm hoping to get more cabbages and more sprouts this year. I'm going to plant them in here, probably give it water, but it looks like it's maybe about to rain. I can hear a bit of thunder.